What is up, YouTube? How is everybody doing today? So it is Friday, so in the spirit of Foundation Friday, I'm going to do a foundation review. So we're going to do a all-day wear test. So yesterday I actually did on my Instagram. If you want to go check it out, I'm going to put it on my archives. My Instagram is 15_glamgoddess_17. I actually did a review on the Marc Jacobs Shameless, the new foundation that he just came out with, if you can see it. So I did wear this one yesterday, and I don't have anything like amazing to say about it, to be honest. It's not groundbreaking or anything. So let's just read the box. We're going to read the box. This is the packaging it comes in. So let's just read the box. So it says self-setting finish, invisible SPF innovation, youthful, only better. So with that being said, it's really great that there's SPF in there. So that means it's great for the summertime. It's a good, nice little light summertime foundation. I believe it's a light to medium coverage. So it's supposed to give you a nice natural look, which it does. So the good things, let's start with the good things. So the good thing about this foundation is while I was putting it on, so it's not a thick foundation. It's very watery as it goes on. So you know, it isn't like super full coverage if that's what you're used to, so it's not going to cover all of your flaws. But it does go on really, really pretty. The problem I have with the foundation in general, like I said, it doesn't cover everything. Alright, so I have a couple things here and there. I'm not wearing a foundation, I'm wearing another one. So I have a couple things here and there, whatever. And as I wore it throughout the day, it actually, so it just like melted off. I'm just going to get to the point. It melted off. It melted off. I have fine lines. I'm getting older. I'm not 21 anymore. I'm not 18 anymore. So my skin is maturing. So I do have fine lines here, here, just everywhere. So I set it and everything. I did everything. Put my setting powder on. I put my all-night Urban Decay on because, you know, what's a night without all-nighter? But I put that on. I came back from being outside with the kids and everything, and it was like I didn't have on any makeup. It bunched up right here. It looked cakey right here, and I was pretty disappointed. I feel like they could have did a lot better with the formula and the packaging. I mean, $47, you should get something. I mean, you know, Rihanna gave you glass for like $38, so I feel like they could have did a lot better with the packaging and everything. It does have like a good range of colors, not too many. I feel like they missed a mark where there could have been some in-between colors, but this actually works well. So as you see, it looks light, but once you actually squeeze it out, you'll see the true color of the foundation, so it can be very misleading. So I do advise you just to go to the store to buy it. Don't buy it online and go rogue like I did. I'm really good at picking my colors. So that's why I was able to just go. So what I'm wearing right now, if you're wondering, I am wearing the Cover FX foundation. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging it came in, and I'm wearing it in the color G50. So this actually comes in 1.18 fluid ounces. I believe it retailed for $42. Please don't quote me. I would suggest you look it up because I buy a lot of makeup and I get them mixed up. So I'm going to do an all-day wear test with this. I want to see how long it lasts. I did not set it yet. I didn't do anything to it yet because I'm not finished my makeup. I just wanted to show you the actual foundation. So this is what it looks like, and it's set really pretty. So let's get to the lowdown on this one. You get a longer description. So it is a long-wearing liquid foundation formulated with the innovative high-impact pigments that provide buildable, medium to full coverage and a breathable, weightless finish. A trio of ultra-fine powders control shine and help visibly blur imperfections. So who doesn't want to blur their imperfections? Who doesn't? Who doesn't want to blur their imperfections? So as you can see, you don't see any red in my skin because I have like red patches. Like my skin just gets irritated really easy, especially now that it's allergy season. So as you can see, it's set really pretty. So the whole point, it goes on matte. It's supposed to control shine. I did put a little liquid bronzer in it just to give it a little liveliness because I just wanted to try it out. I tried their Cover FX custom enhancer, so you can enhance your foundation. So I did mix it with that, and it mixed in really well. I mean, So far, I'm impressed. So far, I'm impressed. So I'm going to get in the shower because I do put my makeup on before I put my shower. I do wash my face. So don't go there. I wash my face and everything before I go in the shower. I did a mask today. You can check my Instagram if you don't believe me. But I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to go get my nails done, run some errands, and then we're going to see what it looks like when I get back, crossing my fingers because I spent a lot of money on these foundations. A lot of money. So we'll be back very soon with the last review, and I will talk to you guys later. Let me put this down. What is up, y'all? I'm back. So I got my nails done, nice white, ready for spring, So as you guys can see, I am still wearing my Cover FX Power Play foundation, and it's holding on strong. I'm so excited. So I left the house at let's rewind. So I put the foundation on around 3:45. So I've had it on since 3:45. It is currently 9:38 Eastern time, and it is still surviving. Look at this. Can y'all see this? My foundation is still fresh, still living, still glowing, and I like it. I'm kind of speechless. I mean, I'm normally speechless anyway because I don't talk a lot, but I don't have anything bad to say. I'm excited about this because, as y'all know, well, you got to check out my Instagram. It's in my archive. So check out my Instagram if you forgot. It's 15_glamgoddess17. I did like a quick review on this Marc Jacobs here. What's this thing called again? I'm so mad about it. I don't even want to remember what it's called. The Marc Jacobs Shameless. So I did a review on it. Like I said, it went on pretty. Like most foundations go on. Most. Emphasis on that. It went on pretty. It dried nice. But the longevity just was not there at all. Especially if you're just on a go out. You have oily skin. Everything starts to come through. So you start to shine. And you start to glow. And you just glow worming through the streets. You just look crazy. So as you see with this, I'm not glowy. I have a little oil here, just a little bit, but that's that's mostly my because I do put a little highlight up here because, like I said, I'm a glow worm. I like to glow, but I don't like to look oily and I like to look dirty. But I think the Cover FX, it's true to its name. So just to go over briefly again, yeah, I can't talk briefly. Just to go over briefly. What it's supposed to be living up to. So it is a long-wearing liquid foundation formulated with innovative, high-impact pigments that provide buildable, medium to full coverage, and breathable, weightless finish. A trio of ultra-fine powder to control shine and help visibly build up imperfection. So what it sounds like is there's a setting powder in it. So that's great to me. That is a wow. Just a wow. So, I mean, I'm sacrificing the SPF 30 that is in the Marc Jacobs foundation. I think I would use this one during the summer, just like when I'm just doing quick errands or like if I'm going to work and I'm just in the air conditioning. But this one seems like you can rock out with this one. Now, I don't want to speak too soon because it's not hot yet. Over here in the East Coast, we didn't get that nice 80-degree weather. We got like a little taste. It's like 70 degrees, 60, whatever. Not exciting. So I didn't get to, because like I said in my previous videos, I'm going to probably remind you guys a lot. I just sweat a lot. I sweat. I don't know why. So, foundation for me is like, I usually just forfeit it especially during the summer months. I don't really wear makeup during the summer anyway, it's too heavy. But speaking of heavy too, this is very weightless, so I don't feel like there's makeup on my face. Like obviously, you know, I have my concealer and stuff, so I know that's there, but this is kind of like, it just feels like my skin. You know what I'm saying? You don't feel, you know how sometimes your foundation can get a little tacky and you can kind of feel it and it like rubs off? So this doesn't really rub off either, as you guys can see. This is just my skin. Nothing's coming off. So, I mean, really, really hit the mark on it. And then I want to tell you guys the right price point. It does come in a lot of shades. And I'm really impressed with that. You know, because as you know, in the, you know, us women of color, we don't have a lot of foundation options, and please don't get your feathers in a ruffle just because I'm speaking of a race or a few races. When I say people of color, I just mean people with darker complexions, not just fair complexions. So I'm impressed with that. With the Marc Jacobs one, I feel like they had some complexion. Like I'm not dark, and it's not really hard to find, but sometimes it can be a little tricky, especially because I'm not really good with figuring out what my undertones are. I believe mine is kind of like an olivey, so I sometimes wind up getting like an orange one. I get a foundation that looks good and it's orange, or I get a foundation that looks good or it's gray, and no one wants to look gray, or it's just yellow. It's just really, really yellow. But yeah, so I want to give you the proper price point. Cover FX. It's funny because that's one of the first thing that pops up in Google. Cover FX shade range. People want to know. People want to know about their options. I think the whole beauty community was just shook when Rihanna just came out with all those shade ranges, and it's like people was like fumbling like, oh my god, except for Tarte, you know. We won't talk about Tarte. I like Tarte, but they were a little shady with their debut of their foundation. They said they're coming out with other colors. I haven't checked because that was just enough for me when you only have 3 of the darker colors and there's like no in between. You can't even pick an undertone. That was really shady, Tarte. It's like you did it shape concealer, so why you couldn't do it with everything else? But we're not talking about that. So Cover FX. See their price point for their foundation. Alright, okay, so the Cover FX foundation retails for $44, not $42, so $2 extra. I was off by whatever. So it retails for $44, and then let's see how many shade ranges they have. Oh my god, it didn't even say this on the box. So guys, this foundation's waterproof, sweatproof. It is sweat proof. Okay, so it comes in 40 shades. 40. So this shade's for everybody. When I say I'm here, I'm really, really here for this Cover FX. I've never used their brand before because like I said, I'm a little cheap sometimes. I really never spent more than like $35 on a foundation, like $38 if you want to get exact. I never went to the $40 or $50 or $60 range yet, but I guess I'll, you know, play around with it, you know, because I'm going to be working. So yeah, I don't have anything else bad to say. So like I said, my face is still beat to the gods. I'm still glowing, and I'm happy. There's no discoloration because I always get separation right here, so I don't look crazy here. And I always get like, I wish my camera, see, like here we go, it's focusing. I usually get like my makeup cakes up right here, and then right here in the nose area, so nothing's caking up. I'm impressed. I've never been so excited about a foundation ever. So tomorrow, what are we wearing tomorrow? I think I'm wearing the Maybelline one tomorrow. I do want to wear this one again. I want to wear this one again tomorrow, but I'm gonna wear the Maybelline one. I swatched it, as you can see right here. So this is one color. I bought 2 shades. I only swatched 1 shade. I think this is in the color Honey, and it looks orange, so I'm already like, my stomach is pitting because I have to go through this. I hate shopping for foundation in Walmart, I'm just gonna go to Target because they open all the foundations. So then you gotta ask somebody politely, because I always go on truck day. I know when their truck days are, so I'm like, oh, can I have one from the box? And you know, the girls are usually nice enough to say yes. So yeah, so that's my review, as you guys can see. And like I said, highly recommend it. I really do recommend this foundation. If you have the $44 to spend on it, do it. I always say invest in your skin, because that's where everything starts. Your makeup's not going to look good if your skin does not look good. If you're not eating good, you're not drinking water, you don't have a daily face regimen, you're not going to have good skin. And as you see, mine's cleared up. Finally. I was stressing out hard, but now I'm like relaxed and I can breathe and everything is okay. But yeah, so I hope to I'll see you guys soon. I'm still working. I'm probably gonna do the drunk makeup challenge soon, since it is, you know, I'm not gonna do it this weekend. It's Easter weekend. I can't do that. I'll probably do it next weekend though. But I'll see you guys soon. We're out of here. Bye, babe.